There are a lot of places, I think, where we should take a hard look at where our revenues are coming from. One of them is the issue with the slumlords. The reason I bring that up is because there are many dwellings which are paying one-family taxes, but which are being operated as multifamily dwellings. Many.
Just before you continue on that, pardon me for jumping in on Mr. Rothschild for that, but we are not the tax assessors. We just send a bill to the town. So how a property is assessed has nothing to do with the school district. Whether it's one family, two family, tax exempt.
I would like to, let me finish first.
That's fine.
Okay.
I just wanted to let you know that that really has nothing to do with anything that we decide.
I think for every municipality that does get their taxes assessed by the town, because a lot of municipalities do depend on the town to do their assessment, they can petition the town to have to look, especially if they have information pertaining to, if you have information pertaining to somebody not being truthful to the town about what their situation is, you can bring that to the attention of the town, and you can say, I'm being cheated out of my municipal taxes, whether you're the village of Suffern or the village of Montebello or the school district, you can bring that to the town, and the town has to respond to you and say, well, we looked into it at the very least. So that's something you could do, is petition the town to re-look at what the assessments are, because there's a lot of people who are operating buildings that are still listed as one or two family, and there's like 18 families in there.
Well, I'd have to defer
That,
to the district
yes.
attorney. I don't know what our status is on something like that.
On
Find out.
anything, even at the very least,
As
a
citizen,
letter to
you-
the town.
As a citizen, you or I could do the same thing, but I'm not sure what the school.
But the
board
district has
says.
the district has the ability to do to do research that I can't do. I have a day job. I don't just do this. The district has employees who do research. If you ask the district, can you research for us A, B, C, or D? They say, Dr. O is very accommodating. I've seen him up here researching everything from the sun to the moon.
It's related to the education of the children. not
Related to raising revenue.
Not raising revenue.
Related to raising revenue is pertinent to your
Not
district,
taxing
yes.
people. I think you're making a mistake. You have to draw the line between what we do and what people pay in the tax and do with us.
This district taxes. This is a taxing district. You raise taxes for the district.
Actually, what Mr. Price tried to explain to you is that what we do is we tell the town how much money we have a shortfall from the state. And whatever that shortfall is, the town chooses to tax the public for that money. We don't tell them what to tax, we don't even tell them what tax rate. Basically, if our budget this year is to round off a number $201 million, and the state allows us to cover what is in that budget to the tune of $150 million, then we have a shortfall of $50 million, and the town therefore taxes it. We don't tell the town how to tax, who to tax, whether to tax commercial entities. We don't get involved on the other end when somebody protests and says their house is not worth $150,000, it's worth $100,000, and they've already been taxed, and we have to reach in and give it back. We don't get involved in it at all, and we've tried over the years, and we've been told by our attorney that there is a courtesy given to this district to know of the hearings, but the town makes all the decisions when it comes to taxes, without any involvement from us, and believe me, forget what you refer to as perhaps illegal family homes. There's a far greater issue of what we feel are undervalued homes that are out there, and we're told constantly there's nothing we can do. And as a matter of fact, when we as a board have voted by majority to say we do not want to accept what the town says, we were told it's an illegal act.
Well, at any rate,
The town does assessing and has the police powers.
I appreciate, yes, I appreciate
Anyway,
that,
why don't you still finish your
Yeah,
discussion?
I
if that's
mean-
okay, so that
I think it would, yeah, because I don't think
90
anybody
seconds.
else was stopped for questions before they were done.
That would be